Alright, so I'm currently on Temu right now, doing some scrolling, and if you can see, I actually have some. I was doing this before I picked up the camera because I just got this idea. This is gonna be kind of a challenge. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm just gonna show you guys what you can do. Right now I'm on Temu. This is some stuff added to cart, and then all the photos I had to put. I'm gonna be filming the next however long it takes. Alright, it's currently the next day. And yesterday I just downloaded all the photos on my phone. I logged into all my accounts. I got like 5 accounts. And right here, I have all the photos I'm gonna put up. I'm gonna get to work and I'll let you guys know what happens. All right, so this is the next day. And I listed them at like 2 in the morning. And then I woke up and I forgot to film, but this guy already messaged me. So I'm gonna try to close this deal and then just ship it to him or either meet up or something. And with Amazon, I order it, it gets here in a day, and then I just give it to him. Easy money. Alright, so I was just watching some YouTube, and I'm getting notifications. Look at these notifications. Like, when you get a good product, and it's been out for like a couple of days, and you list it maybe 2 or 3 times, like you're just gonna get so many people, and like a lot of people are gonna lowball you and stuff, but like you'll get 5 to 10 people, like 10 people if you're lucky on a good day, but 5 people that are actually genuinely gonna buy it. So yeah, W business model, hop on it and go make some bread. All right, now I'm about to explain how this business model works, because for some of you, you may have understood what I did, and for some of you, you probably didn't understand what I did. So I'm gonna explain it. So just like drop shipping, you don't send the item to someone until they buy it, and you don't have any inventory. That's why people like drop shipping so much. It's because you don't have to hold any inventory. I find products that are kind of unusual are either furniture. So either I do furniture or unusual jewelry. You can also get on Temu, AliExpress that are just like you never see that. Because a lot of old people will be scrolling on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, and they'll be like, I've never seen that before, and they'll buy it. So when you are picking a product, you want it to be something you can't just find everywhere else. You want to pick a product that they can't find everywhere else, because if they know where to look, like I can just go to Walmart or I can just go to Amazon and buy that, then they're not gonna buy it from you. Now, when you pick a product, you wanna make sure you can either mark it up 2x or 3x. Now, when you pick a product, you wanna make sure you can make profit off of it. You wanna be able to make $15 to $20 profit and $10 maybe, but try to aim for a 15 to 20 if you can. One thing I like to do is once I find the product that I wanna run, I try to search it up on Amazon, and then I try to see what the delivery is. If I can get it the very next day, that is perfect. You want fast delivery? Hopefully sometimes you can even get it overnight, so then you can meet them the next day. Because you don't want to have to wait 3 days for your Amazon package, and then by the time you're ready to meet up with them, they say they don't want it anymore. One smart thing to do is do shipping only, and you have 5 days to ship it out on OfferUp. Once they buy it, they have to buy it. And then you just need to ship it out under 5 days. Those are things you want to look for when you're picking a product. Now I'm just going to explain A to Z how it works. You pick a product, you take photos of it, you put it up on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, or anything, Mercari, stuff like that. Then you have a good description, a good title. Then you find the product on Amazon, find it for 1-day shipping so you can get it quick. And once you have that, wait for the people to start texting you. And as soon as you get someone to buy it, then you order it, you have it shipped to your house, and you meet up the next day. You are not gonna get thousands and thousands of dollars, but this is how you can make your first $1,000 online, just so you can have some cash. And I'm not saying it's easy, but it's not hard. Unlike dropshipping is hard. Dropshipping takes time, and you need money for dropshipping. So this could be what you could do to have money for dropshipping, because all you're simply doing is listing a product, and as soon as someone buys it, which usually takes a day, and you order it and meet up with the guy or woman. Yeah, I hope this helped you guys understand what I was doing. If you get really good at it and you have solid products and you have multiple pages on OfferUp, Facebook, eBay, stuff like that, you can start seeing yourself maybe sell 3 to 5 a day. And if you have $20 profit on your average, that's an easy $100 a day if you're selling 5. You can also scale and sell more. It just depends on how hard you want to work. At the end of the day, all of these work, and they're all good to make your first $1,000 online. Consistent for 2 to 3 weeks, I can guarantee you will start seeing 5 sales a day. And if you get really good, maybe even 10 sales a day. People are making money with this. Not a lot of people are talking about it. People are buying stuff every day, but go out, go hustle, go make some money. Summer's almost over. If you guys want me to do AirPod reselling, put that down in the comments and I'll make a few videos about that. I'll teach you guys how to do AirPod reselling. For now, that's just gonna be my side hustle. My main hustle is drop shipping. I've been doing drop shipping for the past 2 months, but I've also been documenting it. If you guys want to check out the videos, they're on my YouTube. If you guys want to subscribe, I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers in the month of August. So you guys have been showing support, so I just want to say thank you guys. For my drop shippers out there that were following me, I will come out with a drop shipping video soon. Just put in the comments what you want me to do. And if you guys have any questions about drop shipping, personal branding, reselling, or anything, I have my Instagram down below. You can go hit me up and I'll message you back. I respond to all my DMs. And if you guys want to get in contact with the guy that made my thumbnail, putting his Instagram also in the description. He does really good thumbnails, so if you're doing YouTube and you're starting, go hit him up. He'll make you some thumbnails. But if you guys made it to the end, you're a real one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.